Wind Power Warriors, the rise of wind turbine technicians. Welcome back, everyone, to another exciting episode of Trades Tech Podcast. I'm your host, Tyler Tradesworth.
And I'm Tori Tradesworth, your co-host. We're thrilled you're joining us today.
Hey, everyone. We're just coming off an amazing week here, and we're so pumped to dive into a topic that's not only powering our homes, but also creating some incredible career opportunities.
Absolutely. For episode 7, we're taking you on a journey to the top. Literally, we're talking about those towering giants that dot our landscapes, wind turbines, and the skilled professionals who keep them spinning. Today's episode is titled Wind Power Warriors, the Rise of Wind Turbine Technicians.
If you're someone who loves rock climbing, mountain climbing, or any kind of high adrenaline outdoor adventure, this career might be the perfect fit for you. Imagine getting paid to climb, working high above the ground, and tackling mechanical challenges with an unbeatable view. Wind turbine technicians scale tall towers daily, using harnesses, safety gear, and climbing techniques very similar to those used in rock climbing. If you thrive on heights, problem solving, and hands-on work, transitioning from climbing for fun to climbing for a career could be a natural next step. Instead of just chasing the next summit, you could be powering the future, one turbine at a time. Wind energy is on the rise, and the demand for skilled workers is skyrocketing. If you've ever wondered what it's like to work on a 300-foot wind turbine, make great money, and be part of the renewable energy revolution, this episode is for you. We've all seen wind turbines, maybe driving through the Midwest or along the coast, but have you ever really thought about the intricate technology inside and the dedicated people who climb hundreds of feet in the air to maintain them?
I know I haven't as much as I probably should. It sounds like a pretty unique job. Here's what we'll cover today. Why wind turbine technician is America's fastest growing career. The hands-on nature of the job, what it takes to climb and maintain turbines, how much you can earn, salaries ranging from $55,000 to $90,000 plus, where the biggest job opportunities are, from Texas to the Midwest, how to get started, training, certifications, and career paths.
Our focus today is on understanding how wind energy is becoming a cornerstone of our modern grid, and why the men and women who work as wind turbine technicians are now one of the fastest growing skilled trades in the nation. Before we dive deeper, let's talk about the wind beneath the wings of some of the best training in skilled trades, NSTNLP.
NSTNLP isn't just another company. It's the management force overseeing organizations like NSTN, which specializes in top-tier training programs, including solar energy and skilled trades.
With over 101 years of combined industry expertise, NSTNLP ensures that every program is led by real professionals, including certified and highly skilled electricians. As the backbone of the renewable energy sector, electricians serve as the critical connectors, integrating solar, wind, and energy storage systems into a reliable power grid. Through hands-on training and industry-leading education, NSTNLP prepares the next generation of electricians to power the future of green energy.
That's why companies trust NSTN-trained professionals. They're getting workers who are certified, skilled, and job-ready. Whether you're looking to enter the industry or level up your skills, this is where you start.
Want to learn more? Check out nstnlp.com and discover how real training leads to real careers.
So, Tyler, let's start with the basics. Wind energy. It's not just a feel-good alternative anymore, is it? It seems like it's really becoming a major player in the energy sector.
You're spot on. The shift towards renewable energy is no longer a future aspiration. It's happening right now, and wind power is at the forefront. The growth we've seen in recent years is nothing short of remarkable. Did you know that just this past April in 2024, wind energy actually generated more electricity than coal in the US for a period? That's a significant milestone.
Wow, that's incredible. I knew wind energy was growing, but surpassing coal? That really puts things into perspective.
Absolutely, and the numbers back it up. Back in the year 2000, the total installed wind power generating capacity in the United States was a mere 2.4 gigawatts. Fast forward to April of last year, 2024, and that number has skyrocketed to a massive 150.1 gigawatts. That's an unbelievable increase, showcasing the massive investment and reliance on wind power.
Those are some truly impressive figures. It's clear that wind energy is no longer a niche market. It's a fundamental part of our energy infrastructure. And with all those turbines spinning, someone needs to make sure they're in top condition, right?
Exactly. And that brings us to our first key point, the booming demand for wind turbine technicians. This isn't just a job, it's a career path that's experiencing explosive growth. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, or BLS, the employment of wind turbine technicians is projected to grow by a staggering 44% between 2021 and 2031.
44%. That's not just good growth. That's phenomenal growth. It sounds like if you're looking for a career with serious upward trajectory, this could be it.
Absolutely. To put that into perspective, that growth rate is significantly higher than the average for all other occupations. It really highlights the critical role these technicians play in the expanding wind energy sector.
So, we know the demand is there, but what does this job actually entail? Our second key point mentions the hands-on nature of the work and those incredible heights.
That's right, this isn't your typical 9-to-5 office job. Wind turbine technicians are often working outdoors, and a significant part of their job involves climbing those massive turbine towers. We're talking about heights that can reach up to 300 feet. Some of the newest offshore wind turbines are even taller, reaching over 800 feet.
300 feet. That's taller than most skyscrapers. I get a little queasy just thinking about it.
It definitely requires a head for heights and a good level of physical fitness. But once they're up there, they're responsible for a wide range of tasks, including routine maintenance, inspections, troubleshooting mechanical, electrical, and hydraulic systems, and performing necessary repairs.
So it's not just about climbing. It's about having a diverse skill set to keep these complex machines running efficiently and safely.
Precisely. They need to be part mechanic, part electrician, part safety expert, and definitely part adventurer. They're working in all kinds of weather conditions to ensure these turbines are operating optimally. Now let's talk about something that's on everyone's mind when considering a career. Explore the full conversation at tradestechpodcast.com, where 101+ years of skilled trades expertise meets cutting-edge tech insights. Thanks for joining us on the Trades Tech Podcast. Until next time, keep building, keep innovating, and let's close the skills gap together.